Hi everyone, I am Dr. Joseph Paramasivam, working as an assistant professor of mathematics in Bishop Heber College, Trichyrappalli, Tamil Nadu. In this video, we are going to see the commands for creating the 2D graphs. We are going to create various 2D graphs here. The first one is box plot. Box plot is very much useful to find the minimum value, the maximum value, the first quartile, the third quartile, and the mean value. For plotting a box plot, we need a data. The data is given here and it is stored in the variable MF. MF is nothing but marks of female students in a particular class. Now we can run this command. Box plot is the command for creating box plot for the variable MF. Here this is the box plot for the given data. See, this is the minimum value and this is the maximum value. This is the first quartile and this is the third quartile and this is the mean value. And you have one more dot here. It occurs because of this 300. Just note these values. All other values except 300 are 2-digit numbers. So in no way this 300 is attached with these numbers. So they exclude this 300 and it will occur separately. This is named as outliers. So we can omit this 300 from this data marks of female students and we can draw box plot. Now you can get the clear picture. This is the minimum value, maximum value, first quartile, third quartile, and the mean value. Now we can add some more arguments to get a perfect plot. So box plot of MF, the command main is used to create heading. So marks of students is the heading for this box plot. So if you run this command, then you can get the heading. And you can color the box plot using the command COL, and now the color changes. And usually R produces vertical box plots. If you need horizontal box plot, you need to give an additional argument, horizontal equal to true or vertical equal to false. So this is the horizontal box plot. Here this is the minimum value and this is the maximum value. This is the first quartile and this is the third quartile and this is the mean value. And we need one more data to plot more than one box plot in a single window. So MM is nothing but the marks of male students in that class. So we are going to draw the box plot for the variable MF as well as the variable MM. So we can get two box plots. This represents the marks of female students and this represents the marks of male students. You can compare these two box plots and we can come to a conclusion about the learning level of the students of a particular class. Here we didn't name the box plots, so it automatically produces 1 and 2 as names of these box plots. So in the next example, we are going to produce box plots for 3 variables. So 3 box plots will appear simultaneously. So the first one is X, second one is Y, and third data is stored in Z. And box plot is the command to produce box plot for the variables X, Y, Z. Here vertical to equal to true is an optional one because it automatically produces vertical box plots. So we need not give this command. and here we can name the box plots, okay, using the command names, and we can color the box plots using this command col, and xlab is nothing but xlabel. Main is used to produce the heading. See, this is the output, and this is the x label, and the box plot comes with the heading scores of 3 streams, and we can name the box plots as ABC. We can give any other names here. The next one is histogram. So we need a data for performing histogram, so we use the data given in the variable PC, and HISD is the command for performing or producing histogram. So HISD of this variable PC, main is used to produce heading, and COL is used to give the color for the histogram. Here actually there are two kinds of histograms. One is frequency histogram, another one is relative frequency histogram. And the first command will produce the frequency histogram. In the y-axis you have frequency, and to get the relative frequency histogram you need one more argument, probability equal to true or frequency equal to false. If you give this command, then instead of frequency in the y-axis we have density. The third plot is scatter plot. For performing scatter plot we need two variables. So plant is the first one, fiber is the second one. Plot is the command to produce scatter plots. So plot of plant comma fiber will give you the scatter plot. Okay, so plant is in the x-axis and fiber is in the y-axis. See, this is the corresponding scatter plot for the variables plant and fiber. And the next one is a familiar one, bar plot. So we are going to use this example. So B is the data, and bar plot is the command to produce bar plots for the variable B, and we can color the bar plot. So we use green color, and this is the corresponding output. So we can add some more arguments. So bar plot for the variable B, main is used to produce heading, and xlab is nothing but xlabel, ylab is nothing but ylabel, and we can name the bars. Okay, so A, B, C and so on, G are the names for the bars, and we can give the border color also for each bar. So the border color is red here. In the previous example we give the green color, so it just shade the green color inside the bar. Instead we can cover the bar using lines, okay, using the command density. If the density value is high, then the bar is covered by more number of lines. If the density value is a minimum one, then that bar is covered by minimum number of lines. Okay, so we can see all these in this output. Okay, so here the density is high, here the density is low, and we named all the bars. This is X label and this is Y label, and the plot comes with the heading. And finally we are going to see about the pie chart. So slice is the data, and in LBLS we stored the labels. PIE is the command for producing pie charts for the variable slice, and labels is used to label the parts of the pie chart, and we already stored the labels in LBLS, so we call that here. And main is used to produce heading. So if you run this command, then it will produce the pie chart with the corresponding labels. Thank you for your patient listening. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.